Hey guys, what's up? It's me, the Cuban Bear, and today we're doing another unboxing from the Cubicle.us. In here should be the brand new Li Feng 2x2 time machine. And so I think it's really cool that Li Feng, which is a brand new company, I think, that has been releasing puzzles, and they came out with a stickerless 2x2 time machine. And so if you guys already know what a time machine is, it's sort of like a 2x2 combined with like a Sudoku cube or something like that. It has numbers on it, it has dials. I thought it was a really cool puzzle. I've been wanting one for a really long time, but they usually cost around like $80 to $90, sometimes even $60 if you know where to look, but I still think that's a pretty hefty price for a puzzle. But Li Feng has actually come out with one that's actually not in that variant. This one is actually stickerless, but it doesn't have any stickers. And right now, looking at the puzzle, it looks really cool. I'm gonna just open this. Right, so here's the cube right here. Really cool looking. This braids, this is some really bright shades, and I think they look really nice. You can see what this puzzle has dials around each thing, so it's like a 2x2 in the middle, but around them they have these circular dials that look really cool. Right, so this puzzle looks really nice. The shades look super dope, if that's even a word to say these days. I really like these dials. Actually, they make what they do is they make the puzzle a little bit more difficult to solve. But since this doesn't actually have numbered stickers on it, it actually will be much easier than the actual Smaz time machine. But hopefully the Cubicle or maybe SpeedCubeShop.com will come out with some. So yeah, looking at the puzzle, it looks really dope, and I really like the shades. The shades look really nice, and this is a pretty cool puzzle. This cube only comes in at $15, which I think is super awesome compared to the price of a Smaz time machine, which is like $70 or $80, and it's a pretty good improvement. It's stickerless. I don't know how I feel about the stickerless colors yet. I kind of liked it better when it was black, but we'll see how my mind changes after playing around with it. But yeah, let's get into some turning. So that's pretty smooth. Corner cutting. That's a pretty. Wow. Oh, some pieces in the middle of a solve. Wait, what the? How do I solve this? Actually break this? No way. No, what do you mean? Okay guys, I'm back. That was a little bit of a hectic recovery right there. I thought that I broke it for a second, which would have been really bad, but it actually turns out I just need to put the piece back in. And it still turns great. It was pretty tricky, but there's actually a little notch inside that actually allows you to put pieces back. So I guess that's cool when disassembling and lubing it. Really cool. But enough about like me talking about it. I wanna actually scramble it, so we're gonna do that in this video right now. Let's scramble this thing. I don't know how to solve this, so we'll see how it goes on this thing. Okay, so that's how much I can scramble it up to this point, but wow, that looks so much more cooler when it really does look more cooler when it's scrambled like this. I think it looks really nice, guys. Yeah, those shades look so nice, and I guess the basic method of solving is to solve like a 2x2 the whole thing, and then just do these like they were like maybe 4x4 or 5x5 layers. I'm not so sure, but I'll definitely keep an eye out to see how this thing functions properly. But yeah, so yeah guys, that's about it for my video on this time machine right here. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a like. I'll be doing a tutorial on how to solve this later once I figure out how to solve it. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you guys want to pick one up, you can go ahead and get one from the Cubicle.us. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Peace out, guys.